Who's this guy?
Okay, I guess. Oh,
dude, he had no urgency.
Keep walking.
That is insane.
No clue.
Yeah, if I were that dude, I'd be running in the opposite direction. Why would I still be walking?
This is the funniest song I've ever heard.
My God!
I can't even identify where this is.
That's Portland.
Yeah, it's like Welsh or something, bro.
Holy shit.
Wee, look how fast I am. Oh, I'm dead.
No offense to the driver, but did you even try to like dodge that at all? Why'd you just keep going in a straight line?
Gosh.
Am I wrong for thinking this?
I don't know, man. Maybe.
Like he saw that the car was going past the line and he just kept going straight and didn't even.
Yeah,
No,
literally.
he's braking.
He even could have stopped, man.
Braking.
He could have stopped.
You can hear him. He really did not have. I can't tell if you guys are joking now.
Like, wouldn't turning like any
No,
other
because
direction be
when
better
you
than
turn
braking at this speed?
when you turn and you brake at the same time, you brake less. So you lose traction and you brake less.
Well, no,
so,
I'm saying like, why wouldn't he just turn instead of braking? Might have
Why
just been
didn't he
like
just
a-
because
live,
there's like
man?
a concrete wall and then there's like cars and like.
What do you mean? There's a concrete wall that's like a fucking goddamn 4-foot-mile radius away.
Dog, it's a fish. I can't tell
It's
if I'm
not
being
right
fucked
next
with.
to them.
Why are you so offended by this clip, bro?
I'm
Come
not
on.
offended, bro. I just don't
No, I'm talking to Folk,
understand.
man. I'm talking to you as well. Why are you guys so offended, man?
What is this black spot that's fucking following him?
Get
bro?
that
Bro!
crap off the dude.
That just got immediately
Worst
censored.
place
Could
for
not
the
see any of
U-turn, dude. This is gonna be bad.
Alien
This
is
is
about
LA.
to pick up a car and just drive away. What the? Oh, really, man?
An alien in a bigger car.
Yeah,
is
an
gonna
alien in
pick
an
up
F-350.
Yeah, driving an F-450 in the sky just absorb somebody.
Yeah, why didn't that guy turn?
He could have. Look at
he
all
had
that
so
room
much
he had.
time. He could have there's like a whole open field over there he could have gone into.
Okay, but like this doesn't work because what I said earlier actually made sense. He did have a long way.
Okay,
to
so
turn
it was a
away.
real opinion you had. Fuck you.
Okay, it's not that serious, man.
I'm sorry.
No,
Why did he yell like that?
in pain. I don't know,
When
bro.
you saw it, was there a UFO too? Why is that sign orange?
Dude, what is this dude eating?
You're right. He's like munching on something scrumptious. Oh, you kept bumping into him, dude. Oh, SPS? Steel Ball Run, dude. Wait, no, that's not it. Wrong letters, my fault. Oh, are we getting the back shots view? Yep. That was pretty stupid.
Hey, he just sped up for no reason. Why?
Yeah, he just let go of his fucking pedal, I think. Like his
Maybe
brake.
he was just really angry.
Yeah, this is
This looks
actually really
awesome.
smart to do. I really like
This
this. You
is
should really
smart.
do this all the time.
That was incredibly intelligent.
Yeah, bro was like sitting there like, oh, dude, what happened? Like, dude, did you not see what you were doing?
Holy shit! What the hell's Tron doing, man?
Jared Leto just going to the bombing box office.
Did you see the new Tron?
No, but that's
It-
Jared Leto. He's
I
trying to
saw
go buy
it.
tickets to save the
It's
movie.
genuinely dog shit.
Yeah,
Was
it's
it
not
pee?
surprising.
Huh?
Was it peak, bro? Was it peak?
It was peak dog shit.
The sky is beautiful here. It's a beautiful day outside. It's actually a beautiful day outside for me today, too. I should leave right now. Okay. Never mind, I'm not... What the
What the fuck?
Yo, he's running.
Did he just get out of the car
He's
and
running from the
start running?
cops.
What kind of ISO speed over here, bro?
Yeah,
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
he was going hella
Running
fast,
away.
bro. Oh, there's the
Oh, he's
cop
getting chased
miles
by the
behind
fucking
'cause-
the
'cause
Matrix.
he's too full of donuts and can't run.
Hey, dude, give him a break. He has 400 pounds on the other guy, okay?
Yeah, 400 pounds on the other guy.
Yeah, dude, whenever he
That-
walks, the earth shakes.
That's their fucking pocket bazooka and every other artillery weapon to kill innocent civilians. Dude, The Simpsons. That's all I'm gonna say, man.
Are you saying the Simpsons predicted that car accident?
Yeah, probably. I remember Graggle, man. He was teaching us stuff. I learned so much from him growing up.
My boy Graggle. You know, I remember
Every
Graggle
house in that
Mania.
neighborhood looked
Whoa!
the same. Bro.
Every house is the same, dude.
Dude, even his tire is red. What?
What?
What's this guy freaking out about?
A fire truck?
Ooh, man.
Oh, I think the golf truck might have like tapped him. And he's like, what are you doing,
Oh.
man? There's a fire truck coming. Why are you trying to go in the intersection? Don't go.
I thought he saw like an alien off screen or something. Okay, that's terrifying. Yeah, I genuinely
Jesus
pull over
Christ.
and just shit because I would have already shit myself already at that point.
Dude, he's getting him. He's going after him.
Yup. Yeah, get his ass. Beat his ass, Daredevil. What the hell's this red truck ad doing, bro?
Dude, it's an F-150.
Okay.
Oh, he's
Look at-
spinning.
They're both spinning, bro.
It's icy, dude. It's cold. It's chilly.
Yeah, it does look chilly
I
outside.
mean, it's not that cold.
Wait, where'd the truck go, dude? Oh, there it is. I was gonna say, it
Dude,
just
he's long
disappeared,
gone.
bro.
He's going way slower now. That's so fucking funny.
You know?
Well, this is how they repent.
Yeah, right,
They're like,
Fortnite.
okay, I am a jackass. Like, I do need to send this in.
Yeah, this is Fortnite right here, man.
Dude,
the
what is that
hell
horn?
honk? This dude's got a custom horn, bro. Yeah, keep smacking
What
that, dude.
Los
Keep
Santos
smacking.
horn did you get, dude? I need to know.
It does sound like the GTA. This looks scary. Yup.
Actually,
Dude,
what
this
the
dash
fuck
cam-
was that?
This dash cam does that guy
barely
no
tapped him, bro.
favors. Like it's
Yeah.
it looks like he could clearly see the guy coming, but I don't think he could.
It was like a, what is it,
Like,
a fisheye lens? Is
Yeah.
that it?
And it's also like there's a pillar in the car. So it's like he probably couldn't actually see this guy.
Oh, this is a
This is gonna be
beautiful
so
day.
bad.
Imagine driving home after like getting groceries during this. Oh, this looks fun. I like this.
Imagine
Oh,
you've
it's
just
a
been
Rivian.
fired and you're driving home in this.
Oh my god. Dude. Oh, that's so bad. Oh no.
This is just an apocalypse.
That you just
That's
can't
what's
stop
currently
it.
going
It's
on.
just such a heavy fucking truck. This looks fake as fuck. This doesn't look real.
This doesn't look real. Yeah, it's like the camera lens or some shit. Oh yeah, back up, dude. Back up, man. Blue pickup
Staten
truck.
Island.
I don't think I've ever seen a blue pickup truck before.
Dude, even the New York City bus drivers are fucking crazy. That's insane.
I mean, yeah, I'd be crazy too if I was driving a bus. Who's gonna stop it?
That's so true. Words of
Like
wisdom.
maybe a pickup truck, but like I don't care.
No, the pickup truck loses. Oh, look out! There's
Well,
a guy
that
in the
was
road! Look out!
Look out! Look out!
I wish they could hear me, man. We gotta save them.
I know, man. I know. I'm sorry.
Dude, what the fuck is this camera angle? Where did you install this dash cam? Like, what the hell?
Fucking Dutch angle, bro.
Oh, I got scraped, dude. Oh, it's okay though. Suck all the venom out. It's okay.
No, not my paint job. I can't drive
They
the car
recovered that
ever
really
again.
well.
Yeah, nah, man. I'd be sitting here and I'd just be looking for the
I'd be
fucking
sitting in
rape
my
at this
shit.
point, bro. Like I'd be trying to find that fucking cryptid, bro. I know he's out there.
Dude,
I
at least
know
they
he
stopped, too.
I think I'm looking for Bigfoot.
is. Oh, okay. We just got Jake over here, man. Jake the dog. Wells Fargo. Ow! Queso? That's
He
not
put his
queso.
hands up like it wasn't his fault.
I know, man. He was like, "Oh, dude, you idiot." Dude, he hit him and then spun around like 5 times. How do you get fucking T-boned and then emoted on, bro? That's crazy. Oh,
Look at this fucking West Nevada, bro.
Oh my god.
okay, so my clip that.
Okay, so much.
Did he clip anybody? Oh no, he
Damn.
He
did.
fucked the guy up completely.
And it's completely out of your control. Live life to the fullest. Sometimes that's just how it is.
Live, laugh, love.
Yeah, live, laugh, orange. I just back up, man. Like, if you're... Never mind, I'm not gonna say that.
IB.
Dude, are all these just rear ends?
It looks like.
Why are people just running into cars? Like, they're just driving into them. It's insane.
That's okay.
Jesus,
That was an
man!
Ultima. That one I expected.
No, my beautiful garden, no.
Just dried up ass land. The type of shit that Rolf's trying to plant plants on in Ed, Ed, and Eddie, bro.
Wee.
Yeah, this looks like a nice place, man. I kind of want to own a house, you know?
No,
Shame will
doorbell
never be able
ones I
to.
don't trust anymore. I don't trust them.
Yeah, not after all the fucking videos of like animals just spraying old people with fucking fire
Yeah,
hydrants.
dude, it's dangerous in the suburbs.
None of it's real anymore. This doesn't even look real, man.
This looks real.
No.
No, because the car didn't blow up.
Yeah, but like, if you think about it, though, I'm just saying it just kind of makes sense if you really just like sort of talk about it a little bit and discuss it with your
Well,
friends.
life
that, I don't
isn't
know.
real, Poke.
What if I just woke up and like, you know, everything was just
Yeah, you
real
woke up
again,
from a
you know?
dream.
Like, wake up from a dream, I'm a completely different person. Nobody I know exists in real life. I'm fucking single, chopped as hell, fucking in my apartment that costs $13,000 a month to
You
rent.
can't be that chopped if you're in a $13K a month apartment.
Yeah, but like that's just normal in the real world, you know. Like
Oh,
money
it's
doesn't
like
mean anything anymore.
It's like a you know, a shitty studio right now.
Yeah, it's like a shitty studio, right? But it still costs 13 grand because of inflation or whatever. I don't know. Google inflation.
It's gonna be like
probably
5
more.
years.
Yup. I take that as a challenge. I'd fucking find that.
Oh my god,
person.
and he ran the red light. That's fucking holy shit. I mean, like,
It's
he got away. He's
that was
gone.
Like that was like when your little brother hits you and then runs away and
Yeah.
locks the door in his room.
God damn, dude. This is like the end of a movie. Driving away into the
This is
fucking
nice.
sunset.
Some Michael Bay shit. Like what I've done. The fuck? Oh,
That was,
nah. He was drifting, bro. He hit that.
dude. He hit that.
Yeah.
Oh,
oh,
I see why he hit that.
Yeah, I'm starting to realize, you know, these context clues that are showing themselves suddenly. I'm
Dude,
starting
he
to
must
realize
have-
why he did all that.
I was gonna say he must have did something bad, but cops literally chase anybody.
Yeah, he mustered.
Like a guy could steal a pack of gum and they'd send 12 cops towards him.
Yeah, they probably would. I don't know. Oof.
What's
okay,
the point of a highway if we're just gonna do this, bro? Like, actually.
Yeah,
what I'm saying, man.
dude, that is what I'm saying. Why are
everyone
people
went the
just
same
stopping
speed, there'd be no
on the
traffic.
road?
I never understood this though. Like when you sit in traffic, it's like, why don't the people ahead of me just go? Like why don't you
Because
guys
this
just
is like a
go?
highway, right?
Because at the start of all traffic, there's one guy who just stops his car and is like, "Fuck you, buddy," and then that's it.
I
It's
would
like
just
one
simply
guy
fly.
slows down for like 2 seconds and it causes this, bro. Like that's if you're in the front, you gotta fucking be locked in.
If you're in the
No
front,
phone,
brake,
no phone
stop your
whatsoever.
car in the middle of the highway.
Dude, where even is this?
The suburbs,
That
East Coast.
dude.
Is this a
I would-
school bus?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think so.
dude, just fucking turn, dude. It's clear. Just go. Just go. Go. What are you doing? Just
Jones-
turn left.
Dude, that street's name was Jones Franklin. That's crazy.
Torn around.
Okay. This doesn't look real.
What is this? It's like the bit rate is fucked
Yeah,
up
the
the rain.
bit rate's
dude.
really bad.
What the fuck?
When I don't realize I'm just not driving the correct way.
What is this Fortnite ass
See-
fucking clip?
Okay, hold on a second. Pause.
What?
If there's this many people near a gas station and there's a car backing up, clearly trying to do something stupid, why in the fuck are you still near that gas station? Could you imagine if you ran into one of those fucking gas pumps?
Okay, Pogue, I hate
I
to
don't know,
break it
did-
to you. They don't explode.
Do those
like
things
GTA.
blow up? I don't think they blow up
Nah,
like it's a
Fortnite, bro. They
bro.
blow up. They would blow
They
up.
don't explode like Fortnite.
Why?
Because we stopped putting the gasoline right there, so they wouldn't do that.
Yeah, they're like
Okay.
deep underground in like the communist chambers, bro.
Like, the only way to blow up a gas station is hit the tank underneath the gas station.
The gas is stored in my ass.
I sure hope nothing bad happens.
Dude, you were too late saying that.
I think that's exactly what the person was thinking too. Oh, what kind of
Dude, I
important
hope he
documents
cut
you
you
got
off.
there, bro?
Yeah, dude, he cut you off. Get him.
He did that on
Get him.
purpose.
He
He
did it
was
on
like,
purpose,
"Ah."
dude. Get him.
Yeah, he did that shit for attention, bro. Come on. Making up his
We're gonna
backstory.
make it up his backstory.
Yeah.
Yeah, like what the fuck, man.
Driving to me mum's. Vroom, vroom. Gets in the shoulder bike lane. Okay, but who cares about the bike lane?
Yeah, but
That's
like,
just another lane.
that's a car lane. It's just
See,
smaller.
I don't give a shit about bike lanes because I don't ride on them. I ride on the sidewalk because pedestrians don't deserve that shit all to themselves.
You know, I actually I'm being serious.
That
I
was
agree with you.
insane.
I know.
This was just an attack,
What I
dude.
said or what happened?
No, what happened? I'm sorry. What'd you say?
Oh, okay. I just said that like I drive
Nothing.
on the sidewalk because pedestrians don't deserve all that shit.
Oh, yeah, no,
like, all
true.
themselves. Yeah.
Why they
That's
make it so
selfish
big
as
if you're
hell.
supposed to drive on it?
Literally.
Like,
there's
why
signs
can I
that say,
fit an
"Make sure to walk
F-150
your-"
on a sidewalk if I'm not supposed to drive it on the sidewalk?
Well, no. Because the car won't fit on there, but it's like I always see signs saying like walk your bike, you know, when you're on the sidewalk, and it's like, why would I do that? There's literally nobody up ahead, and even if there was, why would I
Oh,
do that?
yeah.
That's stupid. They could just move out
It's
of
like,
the way.
what's the point? What's the
Like,
point of having it if you
There's
fucking
no
can't
point-
ride it?
If you're not like driving a bicycle, driving a car, driving a motorcycle, why the fuck are you anywhere outside right now?
Or on roller skates. You can do roller skates. Those are fine.
Yeah, like there's so many options, man. There's so many options. Why are you still fucking walking? Like run if you have to, bro.
Oh my god.
Ow!
Dude, the aliens are talking, bro. They're communicating.
Could you imagine an alien just like, cyclists must die.
That is what they would sound like.
I love aliens. God's light. Right.
What the fuck?
Fuck the
Did
police!
you do it on accident, bro?
Nah, man, that's on God.
Dude,
though.
Captain
I think
Sausage
stupid.
Fingers fucking hit the button by accident. Okay, click the answers down, like and subscribe. Bye!
We love you. We all love you.
We're parasocial, yes.